Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to uninstall the Facebook application from your smartphone, ensuring a smoother experience without the app cluttering your device. Whether you're looking to declutter your apps or just need a break from social media, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open your phone's settings. You can typically find this icon among your apps, often shaped like a gear or cogwheel. Step 2. Tap on Apps or Applications. This will lead you to a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Step 3. Find and select Facebook. You might need to scroll through the list, but it should be easy to locate. Step 4. Tap Uninstall and confirm your choice. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm, and the app will be uninstalled from your device. And there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled the Facebook application. Remember, if you change your mind later, you can always reinstall it from the App Store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tips.